Okay, wait till Akeen's done there. So, in the video we just posted of you coming, right? Akeen was telling everybody that you've been through a lot. Went through a lot in the last 2 years. So, can you elaborate on that? Can you explain what have you been through in the last 2 years? What's going on? Oh god. Oh.
Shelly and KJ what they want, you know. Mommy, what you want? You say, yes. Chicken or pork or whatever. And you say, what you want? And you say, are you me a cook for now, you know? Are you me a cook for now? So you cook 2 meat on Sunday. Every Sunday and me and him go. And the place go buy the meat. And we cooking 2 meat on Sunday, brother. And we sit down together and eat. No, I'm not telling a lie, I enjoy myself with dinner.
Just for a short time, so
I said I enjoy myself with dinner.
You my babies? Mm. You trying to find a ringtone for mom, babe?
Like that one, eh?
There you go, that's a good one.
Make the one next to you. Maybe me try that one that I know if I hit a ring or other. Oh my God, before I set up money.
That one are nice.
Yeah, me I said make me work with that one then.
Okay, mom. Okay, wait till Akeen's done there. So, in the video we just posted of you coming, right? Akeen was telling everybody that you've been through a lot. Went through a lot in the last 2 years. So, can you elaborate on that? Can you explain what have you been through in the last 2 years? What's going on? That Akeen got so emotional when he seen you because of what you've been through.
Because of I was sick and in the hospital,
Okay.
and he couldn't come, and he didn't get to see me, and those things. I believe that is what he gets so emotional about.
And what was the sickness that, do you mind sharing with everybody? What
Well,
have you been through?
the doctors say is Steven Johnson syndrome.
Okay.
I don't know what the cause of that
Right.
or so forth, but
So guys, I've heard
I
that
did
when they diagnose
3
you with Steven Johnson syndrome, they said it's because they can't find
the
what is making you sick. Like, why are you sick? You understand? So
and then some of the time they give you wrong medication,
Right.
and then they have to say something,
they have to diagnose you with
right?
something.
Something
Right.
to say that is the sickness you have.
Right.
So basically, the sickness that my mom have, nobody really knows because it's something that affects her immune system. And yeah, in like because you know, as you all know, your immune system is what fight any parasite, anything off your body, and she struggles a lot because her immune system is what should fight for her body, but basically because whatever sickness is attacking her immune system, it's like it makes so much breakage of stuff come out on her body, and we can't, like, I would say there's only just prayers alone that can really help. You understand what I mean? Because we try everything. She goes to the best doctors, both in Jamaica and the States, and they couldn't find what her diagnosis is with. You understand what I mean? And like that is what really breaks me to the point where when I saw her, because like I did apply for a visa to go and see her, and they gave me they gave me what, a 3 years wait to go to go and get the visa. So it's like when I decided that my mom actually at a point now where she's feeling healthier and can come, when I see her, that's why my reaction was like that, because talking to her over the phone, it's not the same. Like, it's not the same. I didn't know that she lost so much weight and stuff like that. So it kind of break me to the point where, oh my God, you know what I mean? And for me not seeing her for so long, you know, that's why I really get emotional too, because it's like, yeah, my mom, even when she's sick, she was my tower of strength when I'm going through so much. And y'all know, you know, I went through so much here emotionally in Canada too, where I don't really have my family. And, you know, y'all know, man, my family is my tower of strength. So it kind of, like when I see my mom, it's a joy, it's an emotional feeling too, but it's really a joy for her to really be here with me, and I can spend quality time with her, you know what I mean? Like, and just to enhance her quality of life, you know? So, yeah. But
So explain some of the things that you went through, Mom. Like you said, your lips swole up, you couldn't
Yeah.
walk, like all kinds of things happened, eh?
Well, I just get up one morning and my face and my lip was swollen, my feet was swollen, and then Richard take me to the hospital. I spent
Richard
3
is my big
weeks.
brother.
I spent 3 weeks in the hospital. I couldn't walk. I could hardly even eat. I couldn't eat because up to the throat, ear was swollen.
Oh.
So, and then the things then just start break out. And I couldn't lift up my foot to put it on the bed. I couldn't lift it up to put it on the bed. I would have to call a nurse to help me to go to the bathroom or whatever.
So guys, when she just
but
started
I
feeling
couldn't.
ill,
I just couldn't help myself.
when she just started feeling ill, it was so bad that even her foot was swollen, you know, and her whole body started breaking out. That's why you hear she said, "Oh, I was breaking out," because her whole body started breaking out, and we don't know what, because I know they still haven't gave her a proper diagnosis as to
Yeah.
what's happening. So
Right.
it's not like we don't try as the family to get the help she really needed,
Yeah.
but
Didn't they say that it could be lupus too or something? Or what? No?
they said it's lupus. They said it's a whole lot of
Right,
things.
because they said I must not eat dairy product.
Yeah, and
Dairy?
It was caused from dairy product. That was the first diagnosis.
yeah,
Right,
because yeah,
right. And then the Steven Johnson syndrome, and they do so many tests. They so many blood they would draw every day.
Wow.
And test.
And didn't you say something happened to your memory and you had to learn to walk again? And
Yes,
all that?
I have to learn to walk again. They would come and take me in the morning, and I would have to use the walker to learn to walk again. Try to go up the stairs. They would take me up the stairs because where I'm living with my son, there I have to go up 12 stairs.
Right.
So in the hospital, they would carry me to go up the stairs to see if I can go up or down.
guys, them say once a man,
But
twice a child.
it was a rough task, but
And this
Through
happened
God,
yeah.
I have made it.
Amen.
This happened literally
Hallelujah.
the very first time I go back to Jamaica, I think. And then I came back to Canada. So it was like literally I just saw my mom healthy, and then after a month, that's when she was going to migrate. She started to feeling ill, and then literally when she go overseas and start living, that's when so I would say my mom still haven't enjoyed any proper time in the States yet, because the moment she get over there, she just started feeling ill, and it was more doctor's appointment and just just sad moment for the family, because like as y'all know, I never know if I share it, but it's 6 kids my mom have, and like mom is actually our tower of strength. When you know what I mean, mom is always the one praying for us, mom is always the one covering us and telling us keep believing, there's nothing without God. And to see her at that point where she not even could find the strength to even pray, and we had to go and fasting and prayers and cover and pray for her, you know what I mean, it was like the switch turn. You know what I mean? So it was just an emotional time for us as family, and I mean it drew us closer even though everybody's so much apart, because I have brothers in England, and I am here in Canada. You know what I mean? I have brother in the States and brothers and sister in Jamaica. So even though everyone was so apart, it drew us so closer, because we have so much group talk, group chat over the phone to try and see how we can help, because literally we felt as if we were going to lose mama, like, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, that's the reason why we really break down. And to be honest, she's here now, and her skin was itching so much when she was in the States again, and she came here and she doesn't have that. Kudos to my wife, because she gets some stuff for her, where some vitamins, that
Parasite cleanse.
help with her immune system and stuff, so she's not feeling so much of the itching anymore and stuff like that. And like the air here is probably a little bit cleaner, so she like things is just a little bit better with her here. And I'm happy that we really could get her here and get things like a little bit more, our quality of life a little bit more better.
So yes, guys, so I have had itchy skin. I don't know if I shared it with you. I think I did in one of my earlier videos, and I went to the doctor and he gave me creams and medication, like antihistamines and stuff like that. Nothing worked. So then my phone, you know how phones are listening to you, right? They started bringing me all these parasite cleanse for itchy skin and everything. So when mom came, she said, they tried everything. They got creams and stuff. And so I said, you know what? I had itchy skin, not what mom had, but still, you never know, right? It's not going to hurt you. Everybody could have parasites, apparently, according to my ads that are coming up on my phone. So I thought, you know what? Let's try it. So I got the wormwood. I got the, what is it? It's wormwood and black walnut and stuff like that. Anyway, ever since mom's been taking it, the itchy's pretty good, eh?
Yeah.
So who knows? Maybe we could have
Very
parasites. I mean, we eat pork, we eat lettuce, who knows what the heck there's parasites in. I went to my doctor and he's like, you don't have parasites. There's no way you got parasites. And I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, well, you never traveled. I'm like, well, I've been to Mexico, I've been to Jamaica, I've been here, I've been there. No, you wouldn't have parasites. So I took it upon myself to do the cleanse. I haven't itched since I did the parasite cleanse. So could be a coincidence, I don't know. But mom prayed for me many times over the phone while I've been with Akeen for different issues, and I know there's power in prayer. So me and Akeen also have been praying for mom every night. every day because we knew she was really, you know, having a hard time with what was going on with her. But we're very happy she's here. She's feeling better. She's happy, and we're just treating her as, you know, like she's like the queen she is. Trying to spoil her while she's here because time is flying. 5 months is gonna go so fast. We wish she could stay, but she has to go back to the States, and you know how the whole green card thing works, but we're gonna get her back soon, right?
Yeah.
We love having her here. So anyways, hope you guys are all having a blessed day. Mwah. Talk to you soon.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?